All right, hey everybody. My name is Dan the mechanic, and today I'm just making this video on. I've been working on a 2012 Nissan Armada Platinum Edition, whatever. It's four-wheel drive. It's got the 5.6 liter V8 in it. And what's going on is I have a cylinder number 5 misfire. Now, I've gone through and I've changed all the coil packs. I've changed the spark plugs, got the most expensive ones, the NGK. These things are weird. They're like iridium, or they're not iridiums. They are, just so you guys can see, there they are right there. They're NGK Ruthenium HX. They're the best spark plugs that you can buy for these things, and this is what they recommend that you use. It had platinum auto lights in it when I pulled them out, so I'm like, okay, this is definitely the problem, because all foreign vehicles do not run on auto lights. They don't run on Bosch Platinums. You can't buy Champions, none of that stuff. Whenever you have a Nissan, Mitsubishi, Toyota, anything foreign has to run NGKs. I learned that a long time ago. But anyways, back to this. So I've changed the coils. I have changed the spark plugs. I have changed the injectors, checked fuel pressure. I've checked timing. I have gone in and replaced the VVT solenoid. I took that cover off and found a bad O-ring. Thought it was not supplying enough oil pressure to the VVT solenoid to advance and retard the cam, because I was getting a code actually for timing being way over advanced on bank 1. So I replaced the small O-ring at the base of that cover, which is where the oil pressure is supplied to that cover, and it actually took that code away. So I was able to fix that issue, but the misfire just would not go away. Now, last night I put all those NGK plugs in it and fired it up, and it seemed like it got a little better, but still the same issue. So today I am pulling the O2 sensors, because I have spoken with a Nissan Master Tech, and he informed me that this issue is due to plugged catalytic converters. So to get to those catalytic converters, I am going to pull bank 1, sensor 1, O2 sensor, which is underneath the truck right there. Hold on, let me see if I can get it to show you. It is right there. Yeah, you can see it. It's right there. You can barely see it. But I'm going to have to heat it up with a torch, so I can get that out. And I'm going to do the same thing on the bank 2 side. I was informed to pull these O2 sensors, so you can get rid of the back pressure. Yesterday, I did notice that the exhaust coming out was very hot, but not at any type of pressure at all, which, I thought was kind of funny. I wish I would have acted on it, but I didn't, and I'm kicking myself in the butt now, because now I'm informed that these catalytic converters fail, and what it does is it creates back pressure on cylinders 3 and 5, and it's not able to burn all the fuel. And I should have known that, because when I pulled the plugs out, the plugs were black, and it looked like they were just coated in fuel that hadn't been burned. Like they were wet, like they were fouled out. So I knew something was wrong right there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these O2 sensors out, and I will make another video when I get them out and I start this thing up. So you can hear it. The misfire will have gone away. It's going to be loud, but the runnability of the motor and everything, you'll be able to see that the misfire goes away, because you're relieving the back pressure and allowing it to breathe. So that's the problem with it. It's not able to breathe. It can't get the exhaust out so it can get more fuel and air in. So it just gets backed up inside the cylinder. Light starts flashing, everything else, all the common issues. And it's due to plugged catalytic converters. So I'm going to take these O2 sensors out, and you know, when I get them out, I'll show you what I did to get them out, and we'll start this thing up and verify that that's the issue, and then after that, we'll figure out whether we're gonna try to clean these things out a little bit, or replace them altogether. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. So this is a used vehicle that my boss bought, from an auction, and this was an issue going on. So of course I got stuck with it. Can't sell a vehicle that's misfiring, so we have to figure it out. Um, so that's what I'm doing. So I will see you guys soon.